Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you on how to fix corrupted system files on Windows 11. If you are getting system errors, Windows 11 becomes too slow, or if you are getting files, corrupted error or file is missing error after booting into Windows 11, this video will help you repair Windows 11 system files. A file in Windows May 11th corrupt due for numerous reasons. It may file got corrupted due to viruses and malicious third-party software. It might you tried to modify the system file, and it got corrupted. You could not shut down your PC properly due to power failure, and the file was corrupted. The best way to fix a file is by repairing it. Windows 11 offers built-in command line tools to check and repair corrupted system files. The best part is that you don't need to install third-party software or download Windows 11 ISO. To fix these problems in Windows 11, there are two commands available, which you need to run as an administrator using Command Prompt. You can use these commands to repair corrupt files on Windows 11 PC automatically. Executing these commands will not make any changes to your personal files or folders, such as documents and pictures saved on your PC. Furthermore, these commands will not make any changes to your Windows 11 settings. That means it is safe to use. SFC and DISM file repair tools not only fix corrupt or missing files, but can also help you resolve standard Windows 11 issues and errors. How to rebuild corrupt or missing files in Windows 11. To fix the common errors of missing or corrupt files, first, click on the Start button and type CMD. In the search results, right-click on the command prompt entry and select the Run as Administrator option to open the elevated command prompt. Click the Yes button when prompted by the User Account Control dialog box. In the Administrator command prompt window that opens, type the following command and then press Enter key from the keyboard. dism.exe/online/cleanupimage/restore health. Please note you can copy this command from this video description. Windows May 11th take a few minutes to complete the operation. Once completed, you should get a message on the command prompt window, the restore operation completed successfully. The operation completed successfully. Now, type the following command on the command prompt window and hit enter from the keyboard. SFC/scan now. Again, you need to wait for a few minutes to complete the scanning process. When finished, restart your Windows 11 machine. You should not get errors related to files missing or corrupt. That's it. Let me know via comment how this video is. Do you like more videos like this? Subscribe to our channel, Garup Windows. Goodbye. See you in the next video.